Hey guys, everybody needs a good pasta salad recipe from time to time, and we are approaching summer and cookouts and 4th of July, and you're gonna need a good pasta salad. So look no further, I have the pasta salad recipe for you. It's got the best of everything. It's got pasta, olives, tomatoes, mozzarella balls, onions, a homemade balsamic dressing going over the top. It's fantastic. It's a meal in itself. You could take it for your lunch. You could like meal prep and take it for your lunch. You can throw in some grilled chicken for extra protein. It's healthy, it's scrumptious, fantastic. So I did a lot of the prep work ahead of time just to let you know. And also remember that every recipe is right here on my YouTube channel. So I started with a box of penne, a 16-ounce penne pasta, which I have cooked. And remember, the secret to pasta is don't overcook it. Really stir it often, keep a close eye on it, follow the package directions. Okay, this one took about 10 minutes to cook. So get yourself a nice big mixing bowl because there's lots of goodies going in. And I always give it a drizzle of some olive oil to keep it from sticking. Okay, so first thing going in is the broccoli, which I went ahead and cooked. So this is one bunch of broccoli. I just cut off the floret part of it, put it in a medium saucepan with a little bit of water on the bottom, bring it to a boil. Once it boils, turn it down to a light boil, about 3 to 4 minutes until a fork goes through pretty easily, okay? And you don't want to overcook the broccoli, so watch that closely as well. I'm leaving the chunks pretty big. You can go smaller if you want. But there we go, broccoli. And next I have 1 cup of kalamata olives that I have sliced. Remember, olives are a great source of good fats. 1 cup of grape tomatoes sliced in half, just like the olives. You know what I always say, beautiful color combination happening here. Okay. This was half of a really large red onion that I diced pretty small. And then I have an 8-ounce package of the mozzarella pearls, which I love. But if you can't find them, just go ahead and dice yourself up some whole milk mozzarella cheese. And remember, with recipes, if there's stuff that you don't like, you can make substitutions or leave stuff out. If you don't like mozzarella cheese, by all means, use something different. See how fast this is? I mean, I know I did the prep work ahead of time, but still, simple, easy, yummy, healthy. I have about 10 basil leaves here that I finely chopped. You can put more. Truth be told, that's all I had. Growing some in the garden right now. Can't wait till it's ready. Love basil. Okay, now to the salad itself, we'll go ahead and add a teaspoon of salt. Okay, and mix around. I don't know if you can see from here, but wow, does that not just look fantastic? It's just a loaded, packed pasta salad. Okay, now we're going to make the dressing. Okay, so for our dressing, we're going to start with extra virgin olive oil. 1/3 cup of the olive oil. And then I have some organic balsamic vinaigrette. You don't have to use organic, but it's actually almost the same price, so. And we're going to do 2 tablespoons of that. I have some organic Dijon mustard, and we're going to do 1 teaspoon of that. Always right to the bottom. Okay, a teaspoon of salt goes into the dressing as well. Some fresh pepper. And then 2 cloves of garlic. Okay, then just get a fork and mix it until it starts to thicken up. Thickens up really nice. Okay, and then boom, we pour this over the top. Give it a nice mix. My son that just got married last year loves this pasta salad. When I would make it, he would take like massive containers for his lunch. It was usually gone in a day. So I think of him when I make it. I miss him, even though I still get to see him. I miss him. So there you have it. I mean, we're talking about a gorgeous pasta salad, am I right? I like to top it off with some balsamic glaze. You do not have to. This is sweet, thick, tasty. I just love it. So you can just kind of do a drizzle over the top like this. Ooh. Or you can drizzle over individual portions. It's your call. But there you have it. I'm not taking a bite because I'm full. I just had lunch not that long ago and I already know what it tastes like. And I'm telling you guys, you got to make this. And if you have somebody in your life that you think is going to love this, by all means, please share this video. And don't forget, hit the like button right now. Give me some likes. Give me some comments. Tell me what you want me to make next. Subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.